I think before you start your vlog, you should have a 30 seconds of silence. What happened today? What happened in Vancouver today?
Oh, yeah.
That was a big
Okay.
gadget, right? Then we can talk about it after
Yeah.
our showing. We can have coffee time.
Okay.
I think it's best for your audience to know, see what's going on and how to deal with it. I was in cadets for a while.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, that's
So
why.
every time there's a big deal like this,
Right.
we take 30
It's really a big deal that it's so tragic,
Yeah.
horrible, like accident.
So, yeah, 30 seconds. That's all.
Okay.
Cool.
Cool.
Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Earls. Ayan. So meron tayong na-meet na 3 dalagita.
Wow!
Dalagita to guys, ha? Walang mga asawa to. Ayan. So yan yung mga na-meet namin dito.
Sis
Ayan.
Gracie.
Ano name? Aryan.
Christine.
Ayan. So,
Grace na.
yeah, 1 year pa lang sila dito sa Jante.
Oo.
Ayan.
Naka-halfway na sila.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kamusta ang Canada?
Masaya naman po siya. Naka-adjust na.
Hindi naman nabudol.
Hindi naman.
Ikaw?
No.
So far,
Okay.
so good.
Okay. So maraming salamat sa inyo. At yan.
Nakapagpayuhan na kami at nakakain na.
Oo. Ela, ubus na. Oh,
Di ba
mga...
kita natin sa picture?
Yeah,
Yung
may
pictures
picture
natin
kami.
na mga kinain. Napakasarap.
Yeah.
Thank you talaga sa
Yeah,
mga
maraming salamat sa inyo.
Thank you po.
Yeah. Ayan, so papaalam na kami. Bye!
Thank you.
Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye, Zion.
Bye! Ingat!
Bye-bye.
Yeah. Alright, so yun. Tapos na yung ating meet up. Ayan, maraming salamat ulit dun sa ano. Ano ang name nila, baby?
Grace, Aryan, and Christine.
Yun.
Mga bago nating friends dito.
Yes. So yun, ang sarap ng kwentuhan. Grabe, tawanan. At yeah, yun nga.
Kailangan lang maputol.
Oo.
Dahil kami ay may lakad. Pupunta tayo ng
Chestermere. Yeah. So may pupuntahan kasi kami guys sa Chestermere. So dalawa ba yung show home? Yeah, dalawa yung show home. Isa yung ano na. Oo. Isang actual na. Ayan, so medyo malayo-layo kasi siya dito guys sa downtown. So nandito kami guys malapit sa St. Yeah, 16th Avenue.
Sa St.
Earls. Ayan, so yun.
Grabe,
Sobrang thank you talaga.
Sarap
Grabe.
ng food.
Ay, Earls yan talaga. Masarap dyan. Especially mga steak. Ayan.
Okay.
Alright, so biyahe na muna tayo guys.
Ayan guys, we are on our way na to Chestermere. So, chinek namin yung ways. Nasa 30 minutes yung biyahe. Yan, on time naman tayo sa first show home na pupuntahan natin doon. Kasi, I understand, paulit-ulit na lang yung sa southeast na area. So, we already know the community there na familiarize na rin natin. Pero, hindi pa natin natatry yung ibang communities. Like, eto nga, bagong community to na outside naman sa Calgary, which is Chestermere. So, titingnan lang muna natin kung kamusta ba doon. Although, may mga reports or mga nagsasabi na medyo traffic. Kasi, yun nga, yung community na yun ay parang isa lang yung highway or daanan.
Pasukan.
Oo, ng pasukan tapos lalabas ka doon. But anyway, ayan, at least nga, something to see na rin. Ayan, para kung mag-decide man tayo ay whether i-check ba natin yan sa box or X na yan.
So may tanong ako, bakit ba Chestermere ang naisip natin?
Naisip natin, one of the suggested din communities, why not try? Tsaka new built yung mga houses doon. So, newer siya kumpara dito. Kasi sabi rin nga sa atin, kapag maghanap ka ng mas bagong construct, hindi ka maghahanap dito sa mismo o sa sentro ng Calgary. Lalabas ka. Yung mga malalayo ng neighborhood. And pati na rin to, kasama na yung Chestermere. So, isa siya sa mga recommended. So, nasa eastern part siya ng Calgary, pero ang ano lang din doon, ang nakikita ko ay yung sa travel, kailangan mo may car dahil yung mga buses ng Calgary ay pang Calgary lang. So, hindi aabot ito ng Chestermere. So, dapat may car. And yan nga pala, maisingit natin, no? Since na-meet natin ang ating mga new friends, yan from SAIT. Ayan, baka naman daw po ay meron kayong maire-recommend na rental place or house dyan sa Old Town. Yan, parang 1 hour away lang yan dito sa Calgary. So, medyo rural area siya, pero bago pa siya makarating ng Red Deer. So, baka may alam po kayo na nagpaparent or baka kayo din nagpaparent. Yan, please message us po, contact us sa aming Facebook page na Alwin and Emma para yan mai-provide namin yung details yan sa ating sis na meet. Kasi she will be transferring there sa Old Town. And yan, para maka-help din kasi wala pa siya as of now nakikita. And medyo mahirap din mag-trust sa mga marketplace kapag nanghihingi agad ng deposit. Ayan, baka lang may kakilala po kayo. And baka, ayan pa, sa workplace, diba? Kung meron kayong alam na hiring dyan sa Old Town, ayan, message us para mai-relay din namin ang information na yan sa ating kababayan dito sa Calgary. Guys, ito na ang Chestermere. Ay,
ng community.
Ang gaganda ng bahay. Pero hindi tayo dyan.
Mahal yan.
Mahal yan. Duplex to, no? Ayan, no, duplex ay dala-dalawa eh.
Ganda.
Ang lalaki ng cats. Tsaka mukhang payapa.
Tsaka hindi siya ganun kalayo din pala.
Guys, hindi malayo.
Oo.
Ano lang to, ang problema mo lang talaga dito, bus.
Walang bus.
So,
hindi, I mean, merong bus pero once a day lang ata.
Oo, umagat hapon.
Yung
parang ganun. So, ayun, may front garage show home. Sorry, out of focus. Ay, ang ganda, laki oh. So, yung pupuntahan namin pala guys, show home. Kasi yung nakita ko sa, ano ba yun, yung sa link na binibigay ng realtor namin, akala ko gawa na. Kasi syempre, may drawing na, bla bla bla. Pero ano pa lang pala, show home ka muna magtutour. Hindi mo pa makikita yung actual unit kasi mafi-finish daw siya in 4 to 5 months. Baby, may lake dito. Yeah, ayan o. Pero mayroon pang lake na mas malaki dito. Tapos ito phase 6 na. Ibig sabihin, ano to, nagbibuild talaga sila. May phase 1, phase 2. Tapos malalaki pa yung cuts. Ayan o, diba? Kita nyo, ginagawa pa. Tapos, ang ano nga lang dito, materials, pag Canada, alam nyo yun, wood, no? Kumpara sa Philippines na semento. Kaya pag nasunog, sunog talaga. Ayan o.
Ayan, ginagawa pa dito.
Oo, ang dami pang ano.
Ang ginagawa.
Ang dami pang pwedeng paglagyan ng bahay. Kasi nag-grow pa lang tong community na to, guys. Kaya sabi namin, why not check to? Kasi ang dami nagre-recommend. Ayan. Kailangan ko lang harapin ang pagdadrive.
Kaya naman yan. Straight
dito.
lang naman eh.
Ayan o. Ay, ang ganda.
So ito guys, ginagawa pa lang, no? Yan o.
But you gotta know that you still have a neighbor.
Yeah.
I think eventually, in the future, people might say, let's have a condo board to take care of the outside.
Okay.
Because eventually, condo just means shared living.
Yeah.
Eventually they will say, but we don't know when, and they all have to agree.
Okay. Yeah.
Then the condo board will come on, and you can hire them. But for now, there's no condo fee in these properties, which is nice.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a big headache, whatever. But yeah, of course, condo fee will cover a lot of maintenance
things. Yeah. But right now, it's called bare land condominium. Not bare land lot. You own the lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
All right.
Yeah. Let's go.
So welcome back again to Kuya Daniel.
Yes, kasama na natin siyempre si Daniel.
Yeah.
Ayan. So may iba naman, no? Chestermere naman tayo ngayon. Yan. So ito yung parang model, guys, no? So titignan natin kung ano yung itsura niya. Yung mga yung binibuild na yan. Yeah, medyo malamig guys. Alright, so ito guys, ito yung pinaka model niya. Wow, malapad. Nice, wait lang, tanggalan tayo sapatos. So ano napipil mo? Let's say
Homey.
pagpasok pa lang.
Maganda kasi mag-tour kasi may mga gamit. Kapag nag-tour ka ng blanco, syempre iba rin yung
Di mo
feeling
ma-appreciate.
Parang, this is so dull. So tingnan natin to.
Okay. Oh, medyo malaki yung yung lagayan ng jacket.
Oh,
so ito yung pagpasok guys ng pinto, no? So ito agad yung makikita natin. Yeah. So, ito na yun. Living area. Oh, lapad. Wow. Lapad niya, no?
So, pwede mag-vlog.
Yeah, nagpaalam tayo.
So, syempre, mas ma-appreciate mo yung property dahil
may gamit.
Mas bago. So, show home to kasi kinoconstruct pa yung actual
Fireplace, yeah.
living area.
So yun nga, napansin ko dito, malapad agad siya. Unlike doon sa mga nakikita natin sa Southeast, nakipot.
And then merong area for whatever design.
Yeah.
Kasi built na siya, square na siya.
So ganyan din kaya yun talaga, pagka ginawa. Ito na talaga siya.
This one is heading to the basement. So
Later
later
na
on, we'll check that one. So let's go to the kitchen. Ay, ang ganda baby ng niya, countertop. Malaki.
Yeah.
Heavy. Diba?
Yeah. It's nice.
This cabinets.
Yeah. Stove. May washer ba? Yeah, meron din. May washer din siya dito. Then yung kanyang cabinet, okay din, ganda. Nice.
Bagong-bago siya. Show home. And then ito baby, yung ref nila. Notice mo, may room for upgrade.
Meron mas malaki.
Yan, kapag gusto mo.
Yeah.
Okay? And then yung kabilang side yung dining. Yes, Masayan. You wanna go upstairs? Okay. May little corner dito,
ganda.
no? For
Pwedeng,
coffee nook.
yeah.
Or for
Maker.
laptop.
Pwede rin.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Tingnan
doon
muna
guys
natin
yung
to. Yung nasa likod niya. Powder room dito.
Powder room.
Yeah. Yeah, pwede na. That's nice. Hindi siya ganong kadakihan. Pero, yeah. Good na rin siya. Oh. It's nice.
The ones that I'm from scratch are roughly 8 to 10 months.
Okay.
Yeah. But these
8
ones
to
are
10
quick
months.
possession. The 2 units across, they're end of June. The clear would probably be in the summer, August.
Oh.
Somewhere around that time.
Nice.
So, so this is the backyard of those regular townhomes. If you're looking for the interior, you get a larger backyard.
Okay.
This one, because it's a corner and the house is a little bit pushed, so you get a bigger side yard, but less backyard.
Okay.
But the ones that are interior, you get this much.
This is the garage, right?
Yeah, you get double
Okay.
car.
Oh, double car. Nice. Wow. Yan guys. Ito yung pinakalikod mo. Ayan o. Nice. Ito maganda pag corner, no?
Akit na daw
Yeah,
tayo,
akit na
sabi
tayo.
niya.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Uy.
Siyempre ito, ano na yan. Kasama na sa pagde-decor yan. Yung mga frame. So, yan. Okay, so ilang rooms to?
So
Tatlo.
guys, hindi ko pa alam kung ilan nga, 2 or 3 kasi show home to. So merong model na pang 2 bedroom, meron din pang 3 bedroom.
Oh, keep quiet na. Okay.
Okay.
Look mo na. Okay, first room.
First room. Mas ma-appreciate ko talaga pag may na gamit.
Oh, ganda. Ang cute. Pwede na si Zayn sa ganito. No? Nice. You like this room, Zayn? No? Oh, no, white.
For girls, say pink.
It's pink.
Peach.
Ah, nice. Ang ganda.
Oh,
Ito yung tatlong bedroom.
talaga.
Yeah. Tatlo siya. So, titingnan din natin. May dalawa, di ba? Okay. So, dito, pangalawang bedroom na tayo, guys. So, parang mas malaki siya ng konti kumpara dun sa ano kanina ito. Dito ako sa dulo. Yan. Of course, meron pa rin siyang lagayan ng damit. Yan. So, yung window niya, guys. No? Yan. So, yun yung mga ginagawa. No? Hindi lang natin sure kung 3 or 2 bedroom yung mga yan.
So, iba-ibang style. Alright, so this is the second bedroom. Let's go.
Yung cabinet niya ba malaki din?
Sakto lang din.
Pwede na rin kung anak mo lang naman yung pupwesto, puro jacket din damit. Actually, pwede ka maglagay ng drawer dito, di ba? Na fit dyan. Tapos yung the rest, hanger mo na lang yung mga damit na maliliit. Okay, then washroom. That's typical washroom.
May design.
Yeah.
Linis.
And then, punta na tayo sa...
Ito.
Ito. Ano to? Okay. Lagayan ng mga towel. Pwede dyan. Yeah. Then ito. Ano to? Siguro ito yung laundry. Lagayan ng laundry. Kasi meron siyang ano dun eh.
Oo. Abang. Tsaka yung pang water mo.
Yeah. Saksakan. Yeah. Okay.
Nice.
Then,
Master's
ito na. Master's bedroom.
Tingnan natin.
Mayroon siyang ano rin. Sarili siyang washroom.
Meron pang area dito. Ito yung
Wala siyang bathtub. Standing lang. Yung
toilet.
shower niya. And then, ito yung...
Ganda, baby. No?
Nice.
Features. Quartz countertop. Ganda rin. And then...
Then, ito. Walk-in closet.
Walk-in closet.
Oh, yeah.
Sakto lang din.
Yeah.
So, this is 3 bedroom. So, kung tama ko, yung nakita ko dun sa posting is
$499. Ito yung $499. Ayan, guys. Ang ganda. Tsaka yung window, tinan yung dami. May dalawang maliit dito sa side. Then, meron ka pa dito sa left side.
ano pala. Alam ko, mag-i-increase kapag corner. So, parang 500 plus to.
I see.
And then, ito yung
Garage.
niya.
Dalawa kasya dyan.
Dikit-dikit din kayo, no?
Yeah.
Oo, share kayo. So, daming ginagawa dito guys sa Chestermere. Right?
Nice. Ganda siya. Yeah.
Pwede niya, this is worth 500 plus because this is
545, but the GST plus a little bit extra. So we'll get 500s.
500s, yeah. So, the units will be like available June or...
in fall. So if you have a choice to build a new one,
Okay,
I would choose a corner lot
corner lot.
because it's a road town.
But the price will still be like just the same.
price
even
a
if-
bit higher for a corner lot,
Okay.
but you have one less neighbor. Nice.
So yeah, Daniel, what can you say about the community of
I
Chestermere?
like Chestermere.
You like
Chestermere is getting too crowded.
Right?
There's only 2 exits.
Right.
16th Avenue. Actually 3 now, if you think about it, they're expanding. 16th, 17th, and Pagan.
At least they are expanding.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm hearing a lot of things about traffic
Yeah.
here.
Traffic's really bad in the
Okay.
morning. If
Okay.
you go into downtown, it may take you longer.
Yeah. You should like go
That's
up
actually
earlier.
it's a big consideration too, because you're spending now it's 20 minutes. You're spending 45 minutes to go downtown.
Okay. Like there are no plans yet to like have any
Well, the thing with this
development here.
this area, Chestermere, Chester, is that it's owned by private lands, farmers all around,
Okay.
and they will not give it up like this.
Oh, it's good. Gonna be like
Yeah,
A
but even
mountain.
expansion of roads,
yeah.
the city needs permission to
Okay.
expand the road. Because
Okay.
here is a range road.
I see. Yeah.
That's going to Pagan, and it's going to Pagan and Glenmore.
Okay. They
That's
will
also
not,
far away going downtown.
they will not give that up easily. Yeah.
It
Okay.
takes a while,
Okay.
fundings and so on. But it's growing too fast,
Yeah.
in my opinion. Some people like it, some people don't.
Right. Yeah.
Depends on your lifestyle.
It's the commute really that will be the huge consideration because we have no buses here, or just like one in the morning and one in the afternoon.
There's also share rides too.
Share rides, yeah, like Uber ride, carpool.
Carpool.
Carpools too. Do.
Yeah.
But then again, it's a quiet community.
Right.
It's kind of like almost Calgary, but not really.
So going to basement tayo. Okay. So tingnan natin. Siyempre dito guys, hindi siya finish. No? Okay, so tingnan natin. So ito yung furnace niya. Siyempre bago yan. Brand new talaga yan. Alright, so dito siya nakapwesto. Malaki din ha.
Room for growth.
It's room, may room kayo for a washroom,
Alright.
the bedroom,
Yeah.
slash entertainment.
Yeah. And mataas yung ceiling. Yeah.
Ceiling,
Or
it's
just
okay. I think it's a bit low.
Okay, because lalagyan pa to.
Yeah, you have to think about this
Okay.
much.
I'm looking at that one.
Yeah,
Okay.
you put the floor, it's a bit low. But it's doable.
Yeah. Yeah. Basement.
Yes.
And garage is like two-car garage.
2 car.
Yes.
Ito, 2 car.
Detached garage.
Detached.
So kaya ka may malaking basement kasi yung garage mo nasa labas.
Pinakita ko na yun kanina.
Separate.
Pero hindi ko na pinasok yung garage guys.
Right?
Yes, typical ano lang naman yun, garage. Yeah.
So this is 499,000. But if corner unit pa yung pipiliin mo
Mas
na ganito
mahal.
yung model, nasa 540, gano'n.
Okay.
Additional.
So tara guys, pasokin natin to.
Kamusta? Anong feeling?
Maganda.
Maganda.
Maganda din siya. Oo. Maganda lang kasi dito guys. Ano? Bago at saka wala nang condo fee.
Tapos hindi ka problema ng ilang taon sa mga gamit, furnace, roof.
Talagang
Whatever.
brand new kasi siya.
Kasi ikaw may mga warranty pa from the builder.
Right, so hindi natin kailangan magtanggal ng sapatos kasi ginagawa pa.
Wala pa.
Ayan ang ginagawa siya.
There.
Yan, ito yung island. Kasi nandito yung mga ano yun. Ng tubig.
Different feels now.
Ay,
Looks wider, huh?
Right?
yeah.
So this is again what unit like
Come on, Zion, dali. Mahulog ka dyan.
the corner.
Zion, come.
So
No, this is the Andrews, St. Andrews.
okay. Yeah, question Kuya Daniel. Kasi, di ba, if we're gonna somehow make an offer for the houses, for example, in Calgary, we can bid lower. Here, if it's a builder, no, it's fixed price.
It's fixed price.
Okay,
What
that's
the
the
builders really
difference.
usually do give you say a free upgrade.
Oh,
Or
because they have that fixed price for their...
right now they'll say, oh, we're gonna do paint the wall for you for free for different color.
Okay.
Okay.
Edge the corners for you.
Okay.
Rocket prices all throughout the city.
Okay.
For say for 400, 500, and all of a sudden before you moved in it became 550.
Okay.
You just made 550.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. That's why you don't do that so much.
Yeah. Okay.
But they will give you like here and there, like upgrades on carpets.
I see.
Sometimes they'll say, oh, we're gonna have finish your basement with drywall for you.
Okay. Like, they're just gonna give you upgrades, like additional
Additional
add-ons.
things.
Yeah.
They're gonna use what they have.
Okay. Perfect.
Zion, wait.
Zion, no?
Let's go out.
But you still don't walk around.
Sabi ni Zion, pangit daw. Kasi wala pang ang laman. No, this is not pangit. Ginagawa pa eh. Let's go out na raw, sabi niya.
Too pangit.
Yeah.
You already know how to see like houses.
Yan, so ito yung going to basement na to guys. Ayan, dumi pa. So hindi na natin ibababa. Same lang din naman siya ng ano, ng kabila.
So this one is 499,000 with 2-car garage. Yeah, and also a basement. And 3 bedrooms po yan. Yeah, like the other one.
Yan, so ito guys, ang ganda ng bahay na to. Oh. So dito pa rin tayo kasi sa Chestermere, no? May pupunta lang tayo isa. Actually, hindi namin siya mapapasok eh. Ayun ata yung dulo na yun. Yan, so ito yung mas mura. 449, right? Daniel?
Yeah, it's confusing.
I think this is it. It is clear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the first level, di ba, garage?
Oh, garage.
This is it.
449.
Yeah, this is 449, yeah.
Without condo fee.
So hindi lang natin siya mapapasok kasi ginagawa pa siya, guys.
There's no showroom.
Oo,
for this.
wala siyang showroom eh. Yeah.
Pero for this one, you have two neighbors? Because this is corner.
So you have, yeah, so you have 2 neighbors.
2 neighbors. But if you're in the middle there, we'll have 1, 2, 3.
Remember that Copperfield?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like staff.
It'll be like that.
Yeah.
A little bit more.
So yun lang guys, no. Maliit siya. Parang hindi worth it yung 449 mo dito.
Di mo
Tas,
ma-appreciate.
oo, ang dami mo pang katabi. Tas sa likod mo pa, meron din.
But if you're working on a budget.
Yeah, pwede. Pwede may consider, syempre. Ayan, no. So, 1, 2, 3. Yung first level mo, yun na yung pinaka-garage mo. Second, yung living area. Then third, yung mga bedrooms.
So yan guys, no, nakita nyo naman ang ating tour. Ito yung show home ulit kanina. Pabalik na tayo sa car. And we'll be doing another one sa kabilang street ba yun? Yan, magkikita na kami nila Kuya Daniel doon. So it's nice to experience yung show homes dito, no? And new community dito sa Chestermere. Ayan, nakikita nyo naman. Diba? Bagong-bagong mga built. Lahat ginagawa pa. And lalo na to. Yan. But still, yeah, it's really nice to like compare, figure out kung saan ba, ano ba yung priorities, ano ba yung lifestyle ng family. And I think hanggang dito na lang muna, no? Yeah, we'll see you again sa susunod naming house tour. Ito, house na to, hindi na show home. So, we'll see you again on the next one. Peace!